Welcome to our latest comparison video between the Gourmia air fryer oven and the Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo. In this video, we will do a detailed comparison of both products to help you decide which one to choose for your kitchen. Before we start, please like this video, comment on your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. If you're looking for an air fryer with a larger cooking capacity, then Gourmia air fryer oven is here to fulfill your needs. With an 8-quart basket, it can fit in whole meals at once, making it perfect for larger families. The Cosori toaster oven air fryer is not far behind with its 26-quart, 25-liter capacity, allowing you to cook 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5 pounds whole chicken. But if you want to cook multiple items at the same time, look no further than the Gourmia air fryer. Both Gourmia and Cosori have 12 one-touch digital presets for the best results and comprehensive warranty. But Cosori even goes beyond it and offers more than 12 in-one functions for air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, etc. Cosori also has 6 heat elements, 2 speed fans, and temperatures up to 450 degrees F that let you cook your meals 30% faster than a conventional oven. While you can cook wings, french fries, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and keep warm with Gourmia. Both products are made with food-grade stainless steel material, which is safe and durable for the kitchen. And both are easy to clean with removable crumb trays and non-stick food trays. But Gourmia comes with fat removal technology in the air fryer basket that removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process, allowing the food to be healthier. Both products look stylish and can make your kitchen look amazing, but Cosori's design stands out a bit more with its smooth looks. Gourmia air fryer oven is available at the price of $89, while Cosori toaster oven air fryer combo is a bit more expensive at $159. But given the features and functions of Cosori toaster oven, it's worth the extra money if you're looking for advanced features. But if you're on a budget and still want an air fryer that can fulfill your needs, Gourmia air fryer oven is the best bet. And that's a wrap on our comparison video. We hope that this video has helped you to decide on the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, comment on your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.